Globalization, urbanization, and industrialization have resulted in drastic changes in our agricultural systems, which are distinctly visible. In the post-Green Revolution era, for meeting the growing demand for food, fodder, and other basic needs, our farmers have switched over to intensive cultivation and started growing high-yielding varieties of crops and their hybrids. Coupled with this, they also started using higher doses of chemical fertilizers for getting higher yields and agricultural chemicals to control pests, diseases, and weeds. But unfortunately, there was a gradual decline in the quantity of organic manures used due to decline in the cattle population across the states. Adoption of these faulty agricultural practices resulted in decline in soil health and fertility, and also led to pollution of our air, water, and soil resources. In this direction, Samrakshan Organics has been successful in coming out with bio-enriched and eco-friendly organic manures which are rich in major secondary and micronutrient elements and also beneficial microorganisms and earthworm eggs. The manure manufacturing unit is located at Jalamangala village, Ramnagar district, where all the state-of-art machineries have been deployed to manufacture scientifically the enriched organic manures akin to a factory. The enriched organic manures are being manufactured with production license from Karnataka State Department of Agriculture, Bangalore. All necessary requirements are met with to meet the FCO specifications for organic manures. The production unit and the products have been certified by Aditi Organic Certification Private Limited, Bangalore. Technical advice is being taken from agricultural scientists with long-standing research experience in the area of organic manure preparation using various nutrient-rich organic wastes and their impact on soils and crops. For the manufacture of enriched organic manures, press mud, a byproduct of sugar mills, is being used as the main raw material. Press mud is being put in the form of windrows of 5 to 6 feet height and 3 to 4 feet width on a concrete floor and allowed to decompose for a month. To hasten the decomposition, proper aeration is provided by mixing the press mud in the windrows using an aerotiller. The decomposed press mud is put on the conveyor belt system and then sieved using a 4 mm sieve and then put into the reverse drum mixer into which calculated quantities of vermicompost, powdered neem cake, rock phosphate powder and potash-rich distillery boiler ash are added. Also, vermi wash and the microbial consortia consisting of nitrogen fixers such as rhizobium and acetobacter, phosphorus solubilizing bacteria and fungi, and potash and zinc solubilizing bacteria are also added and homogenized. The bio-enriched organic manure is fully matured, eco-friendly, and possesses ability to prevent certain plant diseases. The total nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium content of the manure is 6 to 7%. Also, it has other 10 plant nutrient elements in appreciable quantities and meets the FCO specifications.
Samrakshan Organics was established in the year 2020 to provide an eco-friendly, bio-enriched and nutrient-rich organic manure to farmers. For this purpose, all the necessary permissions were obtained from the concerned government organizations. With the technical guidance of agriculture and engineering scientists and 2 years efforts of fully mechanized and scientific manure manufacturing unit was established at Jalamangala village, Ramnagara district.
Various nutrient-rich organic wastes generated from agro-based industries were collected and sent to reputed laboratories for analysis. Based on their organic matter, nutrients content and also heavy metals content, the best organic waste were selected. Experiments and scale-up studies were conducted for 2 years to develop the nutrient-rich organic manures.
The famous saying, waste to wealth, has become a reality with the production and use of Samrakshan enriched organic manure.